Okay, I hope this works. I get to try our new 9-inch Dewalt battery operated saw. So hopefully this works out. I got it all prepped. I'm gonna put the phone down, my phone and camera down, and let's see if we get it. Oops, I gotta trade it around, but I don't know how to trade it around. I think hopefully you can hear me. And hopefully there won't be too much dust that my phone gets kicked up and it gets in focus. I need it to stay standing, but it doesn't want to. I had it able to stand earlier. Come on! Okay. I'll be just under the flag, so hopefully this works. I don't know if you can see this or hear this, but this is our new saw. Got my earphones on and my safety goggles. Here we go. Okay, I'm back with a critique. You didn't see much. I looked at it. You didn't see much when I was butt back to you. But when I turned around, I think you got a good view of the saw and how it cuts. I really like it. It's not as powerful as a big skill cement saw, but it has a love-hate relationship with me. Our 14-inch steel cement saw, it doesn't want to start when I want it to. So that's really nice about this saw is it's not gas driven, it's gear. And all you have to do is pull the trigger and it starts up. It doesn't cut very deep because it's only a 9-inch. But we won't normally be using this to cut through cement. We'll use our cement saw. This will be mostly for our stonework, our bluestone and our Chilton. So yeah, I'm loving it, and I'm glad Al bought it. Thanks, Al and Sandy.